Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Hope School and College. I am here, the teacher of biology of class 10th. Today's topic is aspects of homeostasis that we are going to discuss. There are three main aspects of homeostasis, that is osmoregulation, thermoregulation, and excretion, as you see in the book page. The first one is osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is defined as the process of maintaining and balancing water and the solutes in our body, and that maintaining of these solutes and water is obtained by the process of osmosis. As you see in the diagram, fluid, water from food or metabolic water, everything excrete as a sweat, urine or loss from body. Second one is thermoregulation. Thermoregulation is the process of maintaining body's internal temperature to set the balance condition, that is homeostasis, and the normal body temperature is between 37 degrees centigrade to 38 degrees centigrade. Effector, control center and receptors continuously balance and signals each other to maintain this normal temperature. The third one is excretion. Excretion is the biological system to remove excess, unnecessary and dangerous waste material from body. There are various organs that secrete waste material like liver, kidney, lungs and skin. They excrete their respective waste material, like kidney excrete fluid, lungs excrete gases, skin excrete sweat, liver excrete metabolic waste. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe the Hope School and College.